journey. Let's get started. The fun begins now. Hey, friends. Watch the colorful beans roll. Let's learn colors with them. Look at the shiny red beans. They're rolling down the track. Can you see how bright and bold they are? Red is the color of apples and strawberries. What else is red around you? Orange beans are rolling down the track. Orange is the color of juicy oranges and big pumpkins, too. Wow, look at the shiny blue beans. Blue is the color of the bright sky and the deep ocean. What else can you find that's blue? Wow, look at those green beans rolling down into the green truck. Do you know green is the color of leaves and even frogs? Getting hit purple beans, dropping into a cool purple truck. Purple is the color of sweet grapes and pretty lavender flowers. Look around. Can you find something purple where you are? Look at those bright pink beans. They're rolling along so cheerfully. Pink is the color of fluffy cotton candy and pretty flowers. Here come the shiny black beans. They're rolling down the track in style. Black is the color of the night sky and black cats. Are your hair colored black too? White beans, rolling down the track. White is the color of soft clouds and sparkling snow. See, your teeth are white too. Look at those sunny yellow beans rolling along the track. Yellow is the color of the shining sun and tasty bananas. Can you spot something yellow nearby? Cozy brown beans. Brown is the color of yummy chocolate and cuddly teddy bears. Can you think of something brown around you? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.